talk about Christmas, we talked about
Uh-huh.
New Year's. Do you know? Do you remember?
I don't.
Yeah, I think so. Because
No, I do. I do.
yeah,
I remember.
okay, I got it. And that's why today actually I want to talk about we have the reflection of this year. Yeah.
Yes.
But okay, but you have a good dream. You have a good New Year's resolution, right?
Yeah, yeah. But I was not able to fulfill it.
You are not
But I didn't regret.
yeah, you are not disappointed, right? You can make an effort. You can, right?
Yeah, I'm not disappointed either. I didn't regret. It's because I know I was able to help my my family, my
Yeah.
yes, my family.
How about the other siblings? They also work, right? They also contribute to your family.
Yes, yes.
That's why you don't have to,
That's true.
you don't, what you say, only, not only you, right? But also other siblings also help you.
I of course, I mean, they don't rely like totally rely on me, of
Why?
course,
Why?
because I cannot support them totally, you know? I mean, I cannot support their needs totally.
Ah,
So, yes, yes.
okay.
But there are times, yeah, most of my siblings are already married and they have their own families and they have
Ah,
their kids.
and so you are not married. Yeah.
Goodbye.
Yeah, I got what you say. They are married, that's why they have to contribute their own family instead.
Yes.
Ah,
Yes, that's right. That's why, like, most of the time, I have to support my father. It's because my siblings have their own
your own family.
family too. Yes.
That's why
So they cannot
yeah,
support our parents
you have a big
that much.
responsibility.
It's, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's maybe a responsibility.
But you said that
Yeah.
you wanna own your own house, right?
Yeah.
Not your father, mother, right?
My parents have already they have their own house, so
They have already, okay. Okay, I got it. They have their own house already. That's why they don't need. Yeah, some teacher told me, why you make effort? You work so hard. This teacher said, yeah, I wanna give my parents some like a house. She said like that. Yeah,
ah,
but you said
I
I wanna
see.
have my own house.
My own house.
Yeah. But I got.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah,
Mm,
it's a good dream, right?
yeah, yeah. But it's a hard I mean it's a very maybe a very
Yeah, I
yeah
know.
difficult dream to achieve.
Yeah, 10 years ago, I also have a same dream like you.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
10 years ago?
10 years ago because I right now I'm 44. That's why 10 years ago it means
So that means you have already fulfilled your dreams.
but but right now I pay like debt. Uh,
Ah, I see.
I struggle to pay debt, right?
Ah, because that's common in your country, right?
34, 35 years,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, for
In
35
in
years
my case, I don't want to have a lot of debt that I can't imagine like paying lots of money every month.
every month. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, it's a big
yes,
burden
yes.
for me, right? But it's
But
okay.
it's understandable. Yeah,
Yeah,
because in your country, house is very expensive, right?
yeah, and then of course if I have a hard time, so I can sell my house, right? Yeah, so I can return like my debt, right?
Ah, so you can sell your house.
Yeah, of course if I in the urgent, right?
But where would you live if you sold your house?
Yeah, my company cover the cost of living. That's why I don't have to.
Eh, oh, you're
Eh,
so lucky.
you are good at using the
Oh, you're so lucky that your company
yeah.
Right?
Yeah, that's why I
Wow.
can sell my house.
Yes.
Right? And then,
You can sell it to me. Just
oh
kidding.
yeah, of course, it's okay. Right?
It's okay.
And
No.
then, yeah, nowadays, as you know, like fortunately, Tokyo price of Tokyo, like Tokyo land is expensive, like increasing, right? Value of
Mm.
Tokyo is increasing. That's why maybe I can make a profit. I think.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, but thank
Wow.
you for teaching, right? Your dream. It's the first time to hear your dream
Oh, really?
because you don't say anything, right?
Because I seem like no dream.
I don't say like that. You have auto dream. I know.
No,
Yeah.
just kidding.
Next time, I will teach you like Japanese. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for existing
Have a great day. Goodbye.
so fast. It's a nice thought.